So we can use apt to manage Debian packages. One of the drawbacks of that, it's not a drawback for us as admins, but for developers, is if they take and write a software package, they might have to develop a apt package to deliver it, and then maybe more than one RPM package to deliver, and maybe give a source code download for Linux distros that don't support apt or Debian or apt or RPM package management. So there's a lot of different ways I'll have to bundle it for people to be able to download it and use it. So one of the solutions has been with the idea of a universal package. And there are two of them. There's Snap and Flatpak that create universal packages. And with Ubuntu Server, they support Snap packages. Snap's pre-installed. We can go ahead and use that for package management on an Ubuntu-based system as well. Now, the way we're going to do it is going to actually be really, really similar to the way we did apt. So let's start by trying to find nmap. So here's going to be our command. It's going to be snap, the snap package, find nmap. And it'll go out and look just like apt did, and it will look for nmap. And so we see nmap here. So we can see if that's what the one we really want. Notice there's some other things down here as well. And this doesn't line up real well because of how much I have the text blown up to make it easier for you to read. But hopefully it'll look good on your system. You'll have a nice little layout, formatted layout that'll make it easier to navigate. So if I want more info about it, it's snap info nmap. And that'll give me more information about it, including publisher, description, versions of it. Okay, so if I want to install it from a snap package, it's sudo snap install and nmap. So you can see right away the similarities to managing packages with apt. Snap just gives us the ability to tap into those universal distributions. Okay, nmap is installed, and then just like before, if I want to remove it, it's sudo snap, and then we're going to remove nmap. And that will take it out. Nmap is now removed out of our system. Okay, so really, really similar to working with apt. It's just that now we're working with that snap package rather than the apt package that is more native to Debian. But snap, being more universal, means that multiple distributions can use that same distribution package, that same nmap package, and that makes it easier for developers. So it wouldn't be surprising to see either snap or flatpak become a standard here in the next few years, and for more and more developers to say we are going to distribute our software using that rather than building multiple different distribution channels for different Linux distros.